So I just started rendering a video in Premiere Pro, and 52 degrees Celsius is the GPU RTX 3060, that one. Okay, so 53 degrees Celsius there, 81 degrees Celsius for the processor, 53 and 82. Let's see how high it will go. By the way, it's in the red mode. It's getting noisier. There is a cooling pad under it, so it receives a little bit of air. CPU usage 80, 60, 80%, 90. Okay, let's call it average of 80%. And the GPU usage is pretty high, 100, 89, 92. So let's call it around 90%. Premiere Pro says that 16 minutes are remaining. So video exporting is almost at half, okay, and the temperatures are pretty constant. The GPU is at 55 degrees Celsius, it barely increased anything, and the CPU is 81 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let's do a test. I will turn off the cooling pad. It's off. There is no light. When it's on, we have blue light. So cooling pad is off. Let's see if the temperatures will go higher. 55 and 79, it went down. Now it's at 62%. GPU temperature barely increased, or nothing at all. And processor, it's at 82, so processor temperature is slightly higher, but it was at 81 or 2 when video exporting started, so it's roughly the same. Now let's do another test. I will completely remove it from below. Now the cooling pad was removed, so less air should enter into the laptop. By the way, it's blowing the hot air onto my hard drive. Where to put it? Hot air is coming out here, hot air is coming out there, there and there. Okay, exporting is about to finish. We have one more minute, and although the GPU is being used more, 95 or it was even 100, it's at just 58 degrees Celsius, whereas the processor is at 85, it was 86 before, 84, 86. The CPU is being used less, but it's hotter, 85. GPU is being used more and it's cooler, 58. 85, 58. The laptop is noisy, but it's not overheating. 58 degrees, that's pretty cool. 84, that's not dangerous at all. And it's in red mode, that's the most powerful one. Now the exporting finalized and is getting more silent. Plus let's put it into the blue mode. CPU temperature went down, it was 59, now it's at 50. CPU temperature is at 54, it was at 80 something.